हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज वर्षा एंड वेलकम टू वर्ल्ड नॉलेज। तो आज के इस वीडियो में हम क्लास 6 ज्योग्राफी का 7 चैप्टर के एमसीक्यू जानेंगे। तो स्टार्ट करते हैं इसका वीडियो। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, इन व्हिच डायरेक्शन ऑफ इंडिया इज द हिमालयस लोकेटेड? ईस्ट, वेस्ट, नॉर्थ, साउथ? इसका आंसर है नॉर्थ। क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेयर इज द बे ऑफ बंगाल? In the east direction of India, in the west direction of India, in the north direction of India, in the south direction of India? The answer is in the east direction of India. Question number 3, where does the great Indian desert lie? In the eastern part of India, in the western part of India, in the northern part of India, in the southern part of India? And the answer is in the western part of India. Question number 4, what lies to the south of the northern plains of India? Great Indian Desert, Peninsular Plateau, Bay of Bengal, Western Ghats? And the answer is Peninsular Plateau. Question number 5, where do the river Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna and Kaveri drain? Arabian Sea, Indian Ocean, Bay of Bengal, none of these? इसका आंसर है बे ऑफ बंगाल। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6, द इंडियन आइलैंड इन द अरेबियन सी इज नोन एज अंडमान एंड निकोबार आइलैंड, मालदीव्स, लक्षद्वीप, नोन ऑफ these? And the answer is Lakshadweep. Question number 7, which hills are located in Rajasthan? Aravalli Hills, Western Ghats, Himalayas, Satpura? And the answer is Aravalli Hills. Question number 8, number of states in India divided for administrative purpose is 21, 23, 25, 28? And the answer is 28. Question number 9, how many time zones are there in USA? 4, 6, 7, 8? And the answer is 7. Question number 10, the southernmost Himalayan is known as Shivalik, Himadri, Himachal, Leh? And the answer is Shivalik. Question number 11, the oldest mountain range in India is the Aravalli Hills, Western Ghats, Himalayas, Eastern Ghats? And the answer is Aravalli Hills. Question number 12, between which two countries the Pak Strait lies? Sri Lanka and Maldives, India and Sri Lanka, India and Maldives, India and Singapore? And the answer is India and Sri Lanka. Question number 13, Sahyadri is also known as Aravalli, Himadri, Western Ghats, Northern Ghats? And the answer is Western Ghats. Question number 14, the river Narmada falls into the Arabian Sea, Bay of Bengal, Caspian Sea, Baltic Sea? And the answer is Arabian Sea. Question number 15, the latitude that runs almost halfway through India is Tropic of Cancer, Tropic of Capricorn, Arctic Circle, Equator? And the answer is Tropic of Cancer. Question number 16, the greater Himalayas are also known as Himachal, Shivalik, Himadri, Sahyadri? And the answer is Himadri. Question number 17, the northernmost limit of India is 73 degree 2 minute north latitude, 8 degree 4 minute north latitude, 68 degree 7 minute north latitude, 37 degree 6 minute north latitude? And the answer is 37 degree 6 minute north latitude. Question number 18, which are rich in minerals like coal and iron ore? Plains, rivers, mountains, plateaus? And the answer is plateaus. Question number 19. Which is the easternmost state of India? Assam, Arunachal Pradesh, Gujarat, Rajasthan. And the answer is Arunachal Pradesh. Question number 20. Which is the highest Himalayan peak in India? Everest, Kanchenjunga, K2, Nanda Devi. And the answer is Kanchenjunga. Question number 21. The river which is called the Ganga of South? Narmada, Tapi, Godavari, Kaveri. And the answer is Godavari. Question number 22. Which two rivers form the world's largest delta? Godavari and Kaveri, Amazon and Nile, Ganga and Brahmaputra, Narmada and Tapi. And the answer is Ganga and Brahmaputra. Question number 23. Which is the standard meridian of India? 82 degree 30 minute east, 82 degree 30 minute west, 82 degree 30 minute north, 82 degree 30 minute south. And the answer is 82 degree 30 minute east longitude. Question number 24. How many time zones are there in Canada? 6, 7, 11, 15. And the answer is 6. Question number 25. Which is the world's largest delta? Amazon Delta, Ebro Delta, Sundarban Delta, Fly Delta. And the answer is Sundarban Delta. Question number 26. Which island groups were affected by the tsunami in 2004? Andaman and Nicobar, Lakshadweep, Maldives, both A and B. And the answer is Andaman and Nicobar. Question number 27. The Himalayan mountains are divided into dash main parallel ranges 2, 3, 4, 5. And the answer is 3. Question number 28. The largest state in India in terms of area is Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, Maharashtra, Rajasthan. And the answer is Rajasthan. Question number 29. India has an area of about 3.33 million square kilometer, 4.38 million square kilometer, 3.28 million square kilometer, 4.28 million square kilometer. And the answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Question number 30. In which hemisphere India lies? Northern hemisphere, southern hemisphere, both A and B, none of these. And the answer is नॉर्दर्न हेमिस्फीयर। तो इस चैप्टर के एमसीक्यूज हमने डिस्कशन कर लिए। तो आप कमेंट सेक्शन में कमेंट करके बताना कि इस 30 क्वेश्चन में से आप कितने क्वेश्चन का आंसर सही दे पाए। मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में। थैंक यू।